Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today my topic is how to deal with sadness, anxiety and depression in our lives. We have found that being a religious persons, we are offering prayers 5 times a day. We are fasting, observing the fasting, and we are doing many other things related to religious. But still, in some circumstances, we are depressed. We feel anxiety and sadness that why we are stuck in that circumstances and we find no solution in our mind to move forward. Then what is the solution of this depression? How we can remove this depression? Before going to start this session, I want three basic factors behind that depression. There are three basic factors. First factor is that we have sometimes or generally we have high expectation from other persons, people, family member or relatives. When these expectations are not fulfilled according to our mindset or according to our expectation level, then we are depressed because we cannot do anything. Second thing is that when we fail in any task, in any circumstances, in any proposal, due to any reason, then we are depressed. We feel anxiety and sadness in our lives. Or sometimes due to severe circumstances or due to severe depressions, we find that we consider that Allah has left us in that circumstances because we find no way to solve our problems. I have already told that these depression are due to the attitude of our nearest relative, our nearest family member or our nearest friend. And as a result, we lose hope in Allah Almighty that Allah has left us in that circumstances and we find no way to move forward in that circumstances. These are the reasons behind the severe depression. Now, what are the solutions? I have briefly write some basic steps that if we follow that, then we can find the positive way to resolve that depression. Okay. Now I want to describe some basic steps, some basic points that we should keep in mind to resolve the depression. First, we have strong faith in Allah Almighty. That worship is not just praying or fasting in the Ramzan. Worship have comprehensive meanings that we have to put all our matters onto Allah. That we realize that Allah is with us and He will help us in that difficulties. हमें अपने तमाम मामलात अल्लाह ताला के सुपुर्द कर देना चाहिए और एक स्ट्रॉन्ग बिलीफ के साथ कि अल्लाह रब्बुल इज़्ज़त मेरी इस मामले में मदद करेगा. And we should seek help and guidance from Allah Almighty. And the next thing is struggle in life, struggle in that circumstances. We should not give up in that circumstances. We should struggle, we should find the solutions to move forward in that difficulties, in that circumstances. At this point, I want to describe a beautiful incident of Sayyida Hajra, the second wife of Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam, and Hazrat Ismail, the son of Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam. When they were put alone in the desert by the order of Allah, जब इब्राहिम इस्लाम ने उनको अल्लाह ताला के हुक्म से सहरा में छोड़ दिया, एक मक्का के बेआबो गया सहरा में छोड़ दिया, जहाँ पे कोई पानी का सिस्टम भी नहीं था, कोई फूड का सिस्टम भी नहीं था, और जहाँ हज़रत इस्माइल इस्लाम की एड़ियों से आब जमजम जारी हुआ. तो देयर इज वेरी गुड लेसन इन दिस इंसिडेंट. Sayyida Hajra, she did three work in that environment. First, she have strong faith, strong belief in Allah Almighty, that Allah will resolve his difficulties. Second, she did not argue with Hazrat Ibrahim. उन्होंने इब्राहिम इस्लाम से कोई गिला शिकवा नहीं किया, कोई उनको नहीं कहा कि आपकी जिम्मेदारी है. उनको जब एहसास हुआ, रियलाइज हुआ कि अल्लाह का हुक्म है, तो उनका अल्लाह की ज़ात पे यकीन इतना स्ट्रांग था कि उन्होंने उसको वेलकम किया. एंड थर्ड मेन पॉइंट इज दैट शी रैन बिटवीन Safa mountain and Marwa mountain. Struggle, that shows struggle. She ran not only for one time, not only for two times, she ran for 7 times between Safa and Marwa to seek the water for the Hazrat Ismail, a small son, a newborn son, कि वो हजरत इस्माइल इस्लाम के लिए उन्होंने 7 दफा सफा मरवा के दरमियान चक्कर लगाया. These 7 times her struggle between Safa and Marwa shows the struggle of mother, and Allah Rabbul Izzat, Allah Almighty appreciated his struggle in such a way. Allah have put his struggle, अल्लाह ने उनकी इस सफ़ा मरवा के दरमियान जो स्ट्रगल को इतना पसंद किया है कि नो दिस स्ट्रगल, दिस सही इज द पार्ट ऑफ द हज, द बिगेस्ट वर्शिप ऑफ अल्लाह, द बिगेस्ट इबादत ऑफ अल्लाह, कि जो हज जो सबसे बड़ी इबादत है, उसमें सफ़ा मरवा के दरमियान जो सही करना है, वो हज का एक मेन फैक्टर है, रुकन है, उसको रुकन बना दिया गया. टू सीक द हेल्प ऑफ अल्लाह, अल्लाह ताला की रजामंदी के लिए जो हज किया जाता है, उसमें वो एक मेन रुकन है. अब रिमेंबर दिस पॉइंट इज दैट सही अल्लाह ने नहीं की, सही अल्लाह की बंदी सैयदा हाजरा ने सफा मरवा के दरमियान सही पानी की तलाश में अल्लाह के हुक्म से उन्होंने 7 चक्कर लगाए. But it was so highly appreciated by Allah Almighty that Allah put his struggle as an factor of worship to Allah during Hajj and Umrah. So the lesson is for ourselves that we should not put ourselves, we should struggle in that circumstances, we should confirm believe in Allah Almighty, but we should not give up. Another example is that Allah gives food to all the birds, all the universe. Allah gives foods to the birds, but not in their nest. Birds have to use their wings power to gather or to collect the food for themselves and for their children. The concept behind this phenomena is that we have to use our arms, our wings, our skills which Allah have given us in any circumstances to find the solution in that difficulties. And remember me that changing always takes some times. It does not happen suddenly. Next thing is change mindset. Generally, we want power, money, fame. Generally, the behavior of our society is that there are three things we want in our lives: power, authority. First thing is power and authority. Second is money, wealth, and third is fame. These things belong to materialistic things. These these things shows that we are slaves of these things. We are slave of power. We are slave of money. We are slave of fame. We should keep in mind that we all are slaves of Allah. These things cannot be change our circumstances. Only Allah can change our circumstances. We see that many people have very high authority, very powerful. They have a lot of money. They are very famous. But उनकी जिंदगी में सुकून नहीं होता. They are not living a perfect life. उनको perfect happiness नहीं होती. Their lives cannot be said as a perfect for human beings, because these things cannot change the lives, cannot change the circumstances. Only Allah can change the circumstances. एक कॉमन चीज है कि वी कैन बाय मेडिसिन और डॉक्टर फ्रॉम मनी, बट वी कैन नॉट परचेज हेल्थ फ्रॉम मनी. हम सेहत नहीं खरीद, शिफा नहीं खरीद सकते. वी कैन बाय गैदरिंग फ्रेंडशिप्स फ्रॉम मनी, बट वी कैन नॉट फाइंड डिवोशन फ्रॉम मनी. हम पैसे से खुलूस, हमदर्दी का एहसास, ये चीज नहीं खरीद सकते. Real happiness does not lie in money. Real happiness lies in gratitude, that we have to realize the blessing of Allah in our mindset and in our life pattern. And कुरान मजीद में भी अल्लाह रब्बुल इज्जत ने फरमाया है कि जितना तुम शुक्र अदा करोगे उतना मैं तुम्हें मजीद अता करूंगा. इसकी मीनिंग्स हैं. तो वी शुड बी ग्रेटफुल टू अल्लाह कि जो ब्लेसिंग्स अल्लाह की मेरे ऊपर है, हमें अल्लाह ताला का शुक्रगुजार होना चाहिए. इन current circumstances, coronavirus circumstances, we have seen that all over the world, the humans are stuck up in these circumstances, in severe circumstances. No, they find no solution to move forward for the world, for their economy. But still, Allah Almighty is providing us food. Allah Almighty is providing us safe place. All these things are the blessing of Allah. Our parents, our children's family, our happiness, our breathe, all these things are blessing of Allah. We should realize it and we should put our matters unto Allah. And the next thing is change our company. Change our company. Company, a man is known by the company he keeps. We should make such a company that the positive minded person, the person who are kind, the person who are generous, they should be our friends. because they will help us in such discouraging environment. They will support us when we are at high level of depression, and they will give us positive counseling. And today in these environment, I think positive counseling, positive suggestion is play a very main role to keep the mindset positive, to keep the potential high. आपको कोई क्रीपी फ्रेंड आपके साथ बैठ के पॉजिटिव डिस्कशन करे, आपकी प्रॉब्लम्स जस्ट सुने उस प्रॉब्लम्स को, और इतना कह दे कि यार कोई बात नहीं, नो मैटर, अल्लाह विल हेल्प अस, अल्लाह आपकी मदद करेगा और ये वक्त भी गुजर जाएगा। आई थिंक आपकी आधी से ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम तो उसी वक्त खत्म हो जाती है। आपकी उस काफी ज्यादा टेंशन उसी वक्त रिजॉल्व हो जाती है। सो वी शुड seek positive minded, kind, generous friends. They will help us, they will guide us, they will resolve our problems when we are in depression. And remember me that the positive minded persons are also in the form of blessing of Allah. And the last thing is that sometimes difficulties and hardships come in our life to teach us a lesson from Allah. These are blessings of Allah that teach us lesson. Difficulties and hardships generally, they make us stronger in the path of Allah. And I have seen that in many difficulties and hardships, our iman, our faith on Allah increases. When we come out from that difficulties successful, जब हम उस मुश्किल वक्त से, उस मुश्किल हालात से कामयाब होकर निकलते हैं, तो हमारा अल्लाह रब्बुल इज़्ज़त की ज़ात पे यकीन और बढ़ जाता है that Allah has given us, Allah has supported us in that difficult environments. So these are the factors that we have strong faith in Allah. Second, we should not give up. We should do struggle to resolve our difficulties, like Sayyidah Hajara alayhi salam, that she ran 7 times between Safa and Marwa. Not 1 time, not 2 times, not 3 times, 7 times. Then Allah have resolved her problems, and Allah have given the Abe Zamzam at that desert place, Makkatul Mukarramah. And we should change our mindset positively. If we are focusing on power, money, or fame, remember that these things will provide us that negative feedback, provide us difficulties. These things will not give us, ये चीजें हमें सुकून अता नहीं करती. And the last thing is that we should change our company. Our friend should be kind, generous, and positive minded person, that they can support us, that they can give us positive counseling when we are feeling depressed due to any reasons. Okay, ji. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.